spirits, welcome to Contemplation Corner, where I just pick a corner in the Apartment Homestead and we just sit and chat. And today, excuse me, there's always someone to upstage you. Today I got a box and we are going to do an unboxing. And what's in this box? And why am I excited? Here's why. Look at this. Look at this. Who did this? Who did this? Caleb, did you rip Mommy's sheets? Felicity, did you rip up my sheet? Did you do that? You look really guilty. Did you do that? Oh, it was you. So, I've been wanting linen sheets for a long time, but it kind of was not in the budget. So when this happened and my sheet have to be replaced, I knew this was the time. And so I looked at a lot of different companies and I found one that I thought was the most affordable, and it's called Brooklinen. And I did not order the full sheets with the pillowcases and everything. I just ordered the bottom sheet. But I'm excited. Let's unbox this. Okay. Okay, so it says life's about to get more cozy, and I'm all for that. Here's the receipt. Here's a little book that talks all about their company. And okay, so let's get to this. Oh, this is like a little pouch. That's cute. Okay, here it is. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. That is linen and it feels so good. I'm wearing a linen shirt and it's so comfortable. This feels so good, and you know, it's an amazing thing when you feel real fibers as compared to the polyester stuff we're used to sleeping on. This is going to be a real treat. Here's a close-up of the threading and the fibers. And it just feels so good. You know, it's really interesting. I read up on it and I learned that over 100 years ago in the hospitals they found that the patients whose bed linens were linen, they healed faster. Isn't that something? And they found that when babies were wrapped in linen, they fussed a lot less. So there's definitely something to surrounding your body and yourself with real fabrics and real fibers. And in the Bible, linen is mentioned over 50 times. The high priests wore linen. So it's everything in the Bible is there for a reason. So I really am excited to finally treat myself to this sheet. And I know what you're thinking. If Felicity ripped up my other sheets, well, what's going to be about this one? Yeah, it could happen again. Yeah, it could. But I'm going to be a lot more careful about clipping her nails a lot more. So I think we'll be okay. So anyway, well, thank you so much for joining me here at the Apartment Homestead. It was nice to catch up with you. And I hope you'll take time to check out the hundreds of videos that we have. There's so many different topics and do-it-yourselves and just beautiful, cozy, gentle videos. Please take some time and look at them. They span over, it's almost now 3 years I've been doing this, so there's so many of them. You can just binge watch all day and night. All right, well, thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. I've got to get this going, get this on the bed. See you soon. Felicity is doing guard duty, protecting me from the birds. Good job.